I spent the weekend in Vancouver, beautiful British Columbia, visiting my best friend Alyssa, who moved there this summer. Here's a look at my trip. Wow, that's beautiful. Good morning and welcome to beautiful British Columbia. I'm here with Nikki and Alyssa. Hey. And we're warming up the car and going for an adventure today. I'm so excited. So I'm in Vancouver for the next few days exploring with Alyssa since she moved here, and I'm gonna take you along for the adventure. It's hailing, but there's a beautiful view in front of me. Ah! Wow. Hi.
We're at our first destination, Deep Cove, going to get breakfast and donuts.
Yay!
It's kind of hailing right now, a little weird, but it's okay. Okay, so we're at one of our favorite spots, Honey's Donuts, legendary donuts, okay? Look at this bomb. This is just the classic cinnamon sugar. The girls are gonna try it now. Maybe you guys can cut into it, take a bite, and let's see your reactions.
Ooh, I wasn't expecting it to be soft. Yeah.
They're already impressed.
Go for it.
Oh.
Oh, good. Cheers.
All in, guys. Oh.
Oh my god.
Right? Oh! Can I get a rating? Right? We didn't hype it up, right?
I've never had a donut that tastes like that.
All right, you heard it here first. 10 out of 10. This is the breakfast.
Shopping and a clapping car. We are here in Squamish. It is so sunny, and I heard it's never sunny in Vancouver. So we're just walking around.
Not this time of year, at least.
The mountains are so beautiful. We got here on the Sea to Sky highway.
Yeah, we were driving for like 30-40 minutes on the Sea to Sky. Really beautiful views. I'm sure you guys will see some of the footage. It's just sun is just shining. It's a beautiful day.
Wow, that's beautiful. We are at the Porto Cove.
So the car's stuck. Kayla's digging me out. We're stuck! Just ignore him.
Okay, so we were in a fight or flight situation, so I didn't record
vlogged
it.
a little
Oh,
bit.
you did? Okay, so the car was stuck. There wasn't enough power to go up the little hill, and the ice was making it slip. But we resolved it.
Okay.
Alyssa conquered.
That guy wanted to like literally just put it.
Oh, can I even go up?
Oh, there was like a heavy duty Jeep behind us that had these massive tires, and it was like very ironic that like we're stuck and this massive truck is behind us.
I wish we walked that.
He was gonna try to push us, but he didn't want to damage the rental car. But we were able to like just maneuver like by swerving the tires and like going where there was less snow and ice, but that was part of the adventure.
Wow.
I'm like, hand me the camera! But you were like making good traction, so didn't want to stop from being unstuck.
Wow. Capilano.
We are here at the Capilano suspension bridge. Yay! Exploring. We got here just before it got too dark, so we could see all the lights. This is it, my friends. So many people, but the lights are beautiful, and it'll just get better as it gets darker. Wobbly. I feel like we are in a treehouse with different trails and lights. This is so fun. Seymour Foods, and we are picking up some groceries to not make food today, but tomorrow and the next day, because tonight we're going out for dinner.
Guys, we got our list.
All right, what are we looking for here?
Hollandaise. Oh yeah. My mom said International is the best brand, but I don't know if they have it here.
So we're getting hollandaise sauce because we're making brunch tomorrow morning. And Alyssa is gonna make it from scratch, but we're getting this as backup.
How many are you getting?
And these are some of the other things we're getting. Hash browns, we have eggs, cinnamon buns down there, orange juice to make mimosas, hummus, some fruit. We have a grocery haul. So we've had such an adventurous day, so busy.
Really the first time we've had a break.
Finish it
like
off
10 minutes.
with some groceries, and then actually we're gonna get ready to go to dinner. So, doing a bit of a haul. We got some pretzels.
What are the pretzels for?
I don't know, why don't you tell everyone?
So tomorrow on my birthday, we're doing a chocolate fondue.
That's your birthday.
After our snowshoe hike in the mountains, we're gonna stop, get a stove cooking, melt some chocolate, and do a little fondue. So that's our salty treat.
Bananas, baby carrots. Here's the chocolate, melting chocolate for the fondue.
Dips for our carrots, we got hummus and baba ganoush.
Also
Hash
browns. These are the Weston family. Yeah, these hash browns because we're gonna make brunch tomorrow morning. So let me know if you've tried these before. Comment down below. We got eggs for brunch. We're trying to hurry because we have to get ready for dinner.
Peppers in a reusable bag.
This is, what kind of bacon is this? Female bacon. We got cinnamon rolls. We got the most expensive strawberries in the world. Actually, I want you to comment down below, how much are strawberries near you? Because I was blown away that these were $7.99. And I know that Vancouver is an expensive city, but that's crazy. I've actually seen that price at like more specialty stores in Toronto too, like Pusateri's. I saw someone the other day spend like $14 on a pack of strawberries and raspberries.
Okay, minor interruption. Alyssa, you have to go to your room for a minute.
And and raspberries. Is that everything? And English muffins.
Kicked out.
That's it. Meanwhile, we just told Alyssa she has to go in her room, but her two roommates went out and bought some like birthday supplies because we're gonna surprise her tomorrow for her birthday. I think you can hear me. If you can't hear me, I'll put subtitles on the screen. But they're coming in with the stuff right now. So, oh my god.
Okay, what's my spot?
Just a little bit. I'm afraid of this one. Good.
Come out, come out! Oh, wait.
Okay. Do I have to go back in?
Yeah, just wait. I want to put this in front.
Surprise her right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The colors are perfect.
Yeah, because we can't hide it. Okay.
Can I come out?
Yeah. Surprise! Happy birthday!
Oh my god, we got Oreos, baby! Triple hummus?
Yeah.
Oh my god, we were just
I know.
we
I
could
said
find
she
it.
was just talking about it. Really?
We could find it.
I was gonna say
Did you go to the Save On by Matt?
No, the one by Party City. Oh my god, good.
Woo
Oh my god.
Custom made balloon set. You know, I picked each balloon.
Where'd you get it from?
Party City.
Oh, Party City.
Is it like colors?
Alright, Alyssa, why are you laughing? Because we just ate this whole thing of bread. Can you believe that this is the remnants of our bread? We didn't even get to document it. It is Alyssa's birthday and we're making brunch. She has this egg benedict contraption. It's like an egg poacher boiler kind of thing. Oh, I called it an egg.
Yeah, well, that's all I would ever use it for.
We just left Revolver. I had an espresso flight tasting and now we are walking in the rain. How was your birthday so far?
Oh my gosh, we're having so much fun. I could definitely say we're being well fed. I'm constantly full. We're just having a lot of fun. Happy! Crazy. I think we had a little overboard.
We just finished dinner and now we're going snowshoeing in the dark at Mount Seymour. So I'm gonna leave this camera here and switch to my GoPro. Just wanted to give everyone an update. It is Sunday and we've been having kind of a relaxing day because yesterday we did a lot of activities. And so we played just now 2 games of Pandemic and wanted to remember this moment because we just played a really intense board, but we won with 1 card remaining in the deck. It was great. I was the medic, Nikki was dispatcher, and Alyssa was
Operations expert.
But now we're gonna put this away and probably
Go for sushi!
Probably, definitely.
I meant like probably get on with our day and go for sushi.
Yeah.
Made it up the hill. We're getting on the bus.
We came to try Lucky's Donuts. Cheers!
No, it's perfect. Alright, I missed my first bite, but definite churro vibes. Cinnamon sugar donut from Lucky's.
Lucky's Donuts.
What is the coffee shop name that we're at?
9 Parallel.
We came here to get Lucky's Donuts. So I have my hood on because we're about to go, but we are making a judgment call on where we're gonna go get sushi because we want to go get sushi, but the place that Alyssa knows of and has a good recommendation for is a little bit further, but we had to come out of our way to get Lucky's Donuts, and we need to come here before it closed at 5.
Honestly, we hustled. I'm gonna say we got ready within 5 minutes. Caught
Yeah,
the bus
it's a no
within
makeup
another
day.
5 minutes.
Oh my god, that uphill.
Yeah, that uphill was intense.
We got here and I am happy. We called to make sure they had donuts, so that was really good because how.
It's a donut trip, if you didn't know. We just
But
love
like,
donuts.
think, donuts are
Enthusiasts.
made freshly in the morning, so it's very likely that they could run out by closing. So we had to make sure.
Yeah. So now, before we go back, we want to make sure that we know where we're going to eat for sushi because we could just go somewhere here, which is probably most likely what we're going to do.
I think so.
Because we got another recommendation for California sushi.
A lot of good sushi recommendations in Vancouver.
Yeah.
So I don't think we can go wrong.
So we pulled out our Google Maps and realized that the sushi place is right beside the donut shop. Sushi coffee shop. Good morning. We are all packed up and ready to go. My bags are waiting by the door and it's almost time to say bye. We've had so much fun. Thank you for having us in your home.
Oh, you're welcome. It was the best birthday ever. They're the best. So glad they came.
Bye. Oh wait, we get some lighting here. Let's get some lighting.
Mess with me.
This is so dramatic. Saying bye in the rain.
In front of a cab. All right.
Goodbye,
Bye.
guys.
Thank you. Have a good day at work.